When I come to social media, I will call your name.
My Nigeria people don't bring no bonga bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on some to do say it just happened. The Lassa Calabar Police Division don't receive complaint yesterday, October 7, 2024, as one man ago report to say one Opo Miliki get chook in friend will be Mr. Okafor, 48 years old man. They buy for inside in house waiting for Jakonde Housing Estate, Lekki, and the name of the Opo Miliki girl now Joy Kevin. Now October 60, 2024, and this brigade take happen. Omila talks the go bus enter inside the Kwere local government area secretariat to come burn and fire, and at the new secretariat we say they just built for Osiakpo inside the Kwere local government area of Rivers State. This brigade happened after with the Inspector General of Police we be Olukayode Egbetoku withdraw all the police officers and we say that they guide all the 23 local government secretariat them for inside Rivers State. And also another set of Omila talks and go bus enter inside Eleme local government area secretariat for inside Rivers State. Call even burn and fire yesterday, October 7, 2024, will be on Monday. Now this brigade take happen. After we family and friends they come out to come talk, say Spidality aka Apley say in the miss for 3 days now, say they never really hear from him. Now so Bona Boy don't come out to come write it on top of social media, say now who they miss, come the yarn say 7 is real. As plenty Nigerians they don't come they point hand they tell them, say like say now he don't go arrest Spidality no. Now after we say Spidality come out to come the run mouth to come the talk. Say Bona Boy with PDD, say like say that they knock news together. Say because after we PDD with Bona Boy, snap shot. Say now Bona Boy come win Grammy Award.
Inote after Bona post his picture with Didi, the next year I've been at the same particular year. Bona won Grammy. You understand me? Don't get offended. Now question I ask. How many all year did you drop for your nyash before they give you that trophy?
This Delta State Marine Water priestess don't come out to come accuse some people will come Ashira and say make she work for them. As she can't work for them, finish we make them can't get money. Instead of those people to come out to come appreciate her, and so they can't go church, can't go do testimony, and she can't they provoke. Say make those people them make them sharply come and shrine to come thank her God, and also make them give her her own shrine. If not, say she could come out, can't call all of them out.
When I come to social media again, I will call your names so that you will bring my money. If you not bring my money, I know how to call collector for your spiritual and physical. That's me. I suffer for the Gbewewe. Person cannot intimidate me. Una know una self for the NDDC road. 3 of una. May una bring my percentage. I can't do my Thanksgiving. Una can't thank me. One yellow wewe. Short, you know itself.
The Academic Staff Union of University will be asked to don't come out to come talk. Say 84 of their members they will be lecturers them. Say they don't buy from that kind May go reach August 2024, and they buy say because federal government not agree to pay them salary. As ASU president now come out to call yarn this talk with Professor Emmanuel Osadeke now yarn this talk on Top Channels Television. After the local government election where they do for inside Rivers State, Kasala still continue to dey happen as another set of political talks they don't go boss. Enter inside another local government secretariat to come they scatter all the chairs and canopies that we see the day front of the secretariat. And so they come later come break the gate of the secretariat to come enter inside, come they scatter everything where they there. And this will get happen for inside Rivers State yesterday, October 7th, 2024. The governor of Central Bank, will be Mr. Olayemi Cardoso, don't come defend banks. They will say they choose to increase their interest rate, where they call monetary policy rate, to 27.25%. I think on the talk, saying a very necessary move to control inflation and also excess money in circulation. The founder of Living Faith Church will be Winners Chapel, where name be Bishop David Oyedebo don't come talk. Say federal government don't finally come approve the construction of airstrip for inside the Faith Tabernacle, Canaan land. I think on Yan say no need to go airport before you go fly in plane. He's saying go from just the Faith Tabernacle, fly go anywhere where you want go for the whole world. Still come back, park your own plane for there. And then Yan this talk during the Tehila night for inside Covenant University Chapel, Canaan Land on Sunday, October 6, 2024.
I'm sure you'll be glad to know that the federal government has approved an airstrip for Canaan Land. We are walking in the center of God's plan. So I won't need to fly an helicopter to the airport. I can go from here to wherever I'm going. Amen. Members with their planes will have where to land and back. Amen.
Speedality mama don come out to come dey cry, dey beg Nigerians they say make dem help am as him come talk say him son dey miss and him dey beg Burna Boy say make him release him son for am. After we say Speedality come out to come dey yam mouth to say Burna Boy with PDD dey knack theirself anus as mama come dey cry say him know say na Burna Boy na him arrest am.
Good day, Nigerians. My name is Miss Queen. I am Darlington's mother. I just get information that my son is missing. Speed Darlington is missing. His gate man called my family and notified my family that there's a video Darlington made and put on internet about Burna Boy. So he notified my family that Burna Boy came with his team and they picked Darlington up from his house.
Ogbonge activist lawyer will be Deji Adeoji don come out to come chook mouth on top the Burna Boy and Speedality matter as him come talk say him just follow Speedality take talk like 30 minutes ago. Say true say na on Friday October 4 to 2024 na him dey arrest am for inside him house wey dey for Lagos State. Come later come carry am take go Abuja. Say na Burna Boy na him write petition against Speedality as barrister Deji come dey promise say they don dey chook mouth on top the matter and they go make sure say Speedality come out. The people of Rivers State don't come they do an angry protest as they come bus enter inside street of Rivers State. They come they protest. They call on President Tinubu say making sack the FCT minister Nyesom Wike, making come out for that seat. Say because na Nyesom Wike they scatter Rivers State. Say because indoor rule 8 years finish peacefully, making allow another person to do his own tenure. As they come they yarn say because Wike not be God at all and he not go fit do anything for inside Rivers State.
Even as he called on President Bola Tinubu to sack the FCT minister.
I am telling the IG of police, and if any building go down, businesses that they own Rivers will go down. And I'm ready to go to prison for that. Because you cannot come and destroy the sort of our forefathers. You have done your 3 for 8. Allow people to rule their own tenure. You can't be up and down, and nobody can be God. Wike is not God. Yes. And let me advise him, those who are pushing him are also killing him.
These two Oyibo ladies, they don't cry out as they come call out the Spirit Airline. It's after they buy tickets, come enter inside their plane. Now so the flight attendant, they don't come out to come pursue, they take come out from inside the plane. Say because what they wear not good at all and they wear crop top. As they pursue, they take come out. Say the dress where they dress, they against the flight rules and regulations.
So I was kicked out from the flight from Spirits because I'm wearing a crop top. She's kicking me out. I'm coming back to the gate. Me and my friend because we are wearing crop tops.
Yeah, you can't. I mean, there's nothing that says you can't wear a crop top.
And if you do
No,
that, then
what?
you're moving me and my toddler from a plane to go back home.
What the
So
heck?
you're going to do that as well.
Over
Because
what?
Humans that way. A business cannot treat humans this way.
Yes, now Bishop News Club. My name is Nanehi. They could not enjoy your night.